In this lecture, we will see PHP introduction. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a scripting language used to develop static and dynamic web pages and web applications. Here are few important things that you must know about PHP. PHP is an interpreted language, hence it doesn't need any compiler. And to run and execute PHP code, we need a web server on which PHP must be installed. PHP is open source and free. PHP files contains text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP code is executed on the server and the result is returned to the browser as plain HTML. PHP files have extension .php. There are three main areas where PHP scripts are used. First is server-side scripting. This is the most traditional and main target field for PHP. Here you need three things: the PHP parser, a web server and a web browser. To run, you need the web server with a connected PHP installation. You can access the PHP program output with a web browser which displays the PHP page through server. Second is command line scripting. You can make a PHP script to run without any server or browser. Here you need only the PHP parser. This type of usage is ideal for scripts which are regularly executed using App Engine cron services on Unix or Linux or Task Scheduler on Windows. These scripts can also be used for simple text processing tasks. And third is writing desktop application. PHP is probably not very best language to create desktop applications, but if you know PHP very well and you would like to use some advanced PHP features in your client-side application, you can also use PHP to write such program. And you also have the ability to write cross-platform applications with this way. Now see why use PHP. PHP is open source and free. Hence you can freely download and install and start developing using it. PHP is very simple and easy to understand. Hence, learning PHP is simple as compared to other scripting languages like JSP, ASP, etc. PHP is a cross-platform. Hence, you can easily develop and move or deploy your PHP code or project to almost all major operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. All the popular web hosting services support PHP. Also, the web hosting plans for PHP are generally the amongst cheapest plans because of its popularity. Popular content management systems like Joomla, Drupal are developed in PHP. And you can develop your own website easily with PHP. With PHP, you can create static and dynamic web pages, perform file handling operations, send emails, access and modify browser cookies, etc. PHP is fast as compared to other scripting languages like JSP and ASP. PHP has a built-in support for MySQL, which is one of the most widely used database management systems. The advantages of PHP are: PHP runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, etc. PHP is compatible with almost all servers used today like Apache, IIS. PHP supports a wide range of databases. It is a free and it is easy to learn and runs efficiently on the server side.